Hello, everyone. I am so excited to join the Ikigai World Fes 2025. I've been living in New York for 30 years, and after expanding Google Curry to 15 locations across the US, I'm now walking power spot, positive energy, a motivational speaker named Tomoko Omori. Let me ask you this. How much of your true self are you living right now? 60%, 80%, or maybe 100%? That's yay. When Ken Honda asked me this question, I realized I was only living 60% of my life. And I was very shocked. But today, I'm traveling the world, giving talks, inspiring people I meet, and living happily with my husband, truly living my Ikigai at 100%. On day 3 of Ikigai World Fes, I'll have an honor to have a special conversation with Ken Honda about Ikigai times happy money. Let's discover together how your passion and talents can make the difference in the world and make your life even wealthier. Join us for free through the QR codes above or link the description below. See you November 3rd, Japan's Culture Day.